Hello students, welcome to my social studies class. This is Sanchita ma'am here to take class for students, your social study class. We are in the chapter number 6, Domains of the Earth. The name of the chapter is Domains of the Earth. We have already, there are 4 domains. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. We have already covered lithosphere and hydrosphere. So today's topic is atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The atmosphere is the layer of oxygen and other gases that surrounds the earth. The atmosphere surrounds the earth like a blanket. In class 3, in your class 3 book, you have already learnt about atmosphere, that and this line is also there in your book, that atmosphere surrounds the earth like a blanket. You know blanket? So it is the atmosphere which surrounds our earth like a blanket, like a rag or blanket. It contains oxygen and other gases. Now oxygen is very important. Every living being needs oxygen for breathing. Now the air is the mix of different gases. What are the gases? The elements found in the air are gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, water vapor and dust particles. So this line is very important. What are the elements found in the air? The elements found in the air are gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, water vapor and dust particles. Is it clear to you, children? So these are the elements found in the air. Now, more than 3/4 of the air is nitrogen. More than 3/4 of the air is nitrogen and about 1/5 of the air is oxygen. So nitrogen and oxygen both are very important gases to us. More than 3/4 of the air is nitrogen and about 1/5 of the air is oxygen. Living beings breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Every living being needs oxygen for breathing. So, oxygen is an important gas for all living beings. So, I think it is clear to you that living beings, we all and all the animals, we all breathe in oxygen and breathe out which one? We breathe out the gas named carbon dioxide. Every living being needs oxygen for breathing. So oxygen is an important gas for all living things. Without oxygen, we cannot live. So, is it clear to you? Next, another important gas is the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is the air is an important gas for photosynthesis. You know what is called photosynthesis? The process by which plants produce their own food is called photosynthesis. In this process, oxygen is formed as a byproduct. Thus, green plants help in maintaining a balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air. So, in the air, by absorbing the carbon dioxide that is breathed out by all living things and giving off oxygen. So, the carbon dioxide in the air is an important gas for photosynthesis. It is the process by which plants produce their own food. In this process, oxygen is formed as a byproduct. Thus, green plants help in maintaining a balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air. Now, we will learn about the layers of the atmosphere. The atmosphere extends up to several hundred kilometers from the Earth's surface. It has several layers and each layer has its own function. Starting from the bottom, these layers are the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere and the exosphere. So there are 5 layers of the atmosphere. What are the layers? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and the exosphere. So these are the layers of the atmosphere. Most of the atmospheric gases are concentrated in these layers. So now we will learn about first one, the troposphere. Now students, in your book, in page number 41, you will see all these layers of the atmosphere are written in the page number 41. So you read page number 41 and 42. The atmosphere is explained in page number 41 and 42. So now we will learn about what is called troposphere. Now I will show you one very important diagram. You will practice to draw this diagram, very important one. This is what? Layers of the atmosphere. It is in this picture. You can see the layers. It is shown in this picture. All the layers are here shown. What are the layers? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. All of you practice this one. In your book, in page number 42, you can see this picture. This diagram is there in your book, page number 42. Now, so let's learn about the layers of atmosphere today. This is the troposphere. See, this is the troposphere. This layer is where the weather occurs. We live in this troposphere. This is the lowest atmospheric layer. This is the lowest atmospheric layer and begins at the surface of the earth. It extends out to about 4 to 10 miles. The temperature of the troposphere decreases with increase in altitude. Just so that you know, altitude is the height of an object or point in relation to the ground level. Next one is stratosphere. It is the second lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere. Stratosphere. It is the second lowest layer of the layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Here the temperature rises with the rise in altitude. You will also find the ozone layer here. You will see here the ozone layer. Between troposphere and stratosphere, there is a layer which is called ozone layer. Ozone layer helps absorb harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Very important layer, ozone layer. It is not shown here, but it is situated in this place. Between troposphere and stratosphere, the ozone layer occurs. Ozone layer helps to absorb harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. In the stratosphere layer, we will find aeroplanes flying around. Very important. In the stratosphere layer, we will find the aeroplanes flying around. As the stratosphere is free of all weather disturbances, the stratosphere extends to about 30 to 35 miles above the Earth's surface. Next is the mesosphere. Mesosphere. The mesosphere stretches up till 50 miles from the Earth's surface. Next is the thermosphere. In the thermosphere, the air is very thin. It extends up to 400 miles from the Earth's surface. Thermosphere. It extends up to 400 miles from the Earth's surface. And the last layer is the exosphere. The last one is exosphere. The air is also very thin here and it extends up to 6,200 miles from the Earth's surface. So what are the layers? troposphere, stratosphere. Between troposphere and stratosphere there is a ozone layer. Next is mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Now students, in your book page number 42 you can see this picture, and all of you please learn to draw this picture. It is a very important diagram. You please learn these layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These layers to draw. Very easy sketch, nothing so complicated. So students, this much is today's task: layers of the atmosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere, and what are called atmosphere. You please learn these pages, two pages, page number 41 and 42. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.